Alright guys, so the first thing you're gonna need for this style is some conditioner and some type of edge control, maybe just to make it a little cute. I actually use this Crew stuff. It's sorry, my camera's not getting it. I'm sorry, it's upside down. But I use that. It's for men and it's for their waves, and it does really nice for my hair. So I really like to use that instead of edge control. Or you can use gel or gel, you know, but I'm just gonna show you how I do mine. And yeah, so those are the things you're gonna need, and you're gonna need a brush, and you're gonna need a towel to kind of dry yourself off, but not too dry. So me personally, I use, this is a leave-in conditioner, but I use a conditioner that you're supposed to rinse. But I'm gonna just use the leave-in conditioner for this video. And sometimes I do use this, but a lot of times I use the conditioner that you're supposed to rinse out your hair. It just keeps my hair very moisturized and soft and not damaged. So it's really soft, as you can see, it's fluffy. But so what I would suggest is for you to do this while you're in the shower, because you don't want to get out the shower and get dressed and then wet your hair, and then your clothes can get all wet. So I would suggest you do this while you're in the shower, but for now I'm just going to use my sink and show you how I do this. So let's get into it. And just make sure your hair is very, very drenched, like very wet all the way through, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and dip my head in the sink. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back, and yes, this is gonna make your ponytail look so much longer than what you're used to it being. Okay, and then I didn't mention, of course, it's obvious we're gonna need a hairband, okay? So what I do first, I usually just go in with some conditioner, and you guys can use oil, because most of the time I use oil too, like any type of oil you guys would like to use. I use olive oil, and right now I'm just using the African Pride leave-in conditioner. I'm actually out of olive oil right now, so that's why I didn't put it in this video. But yeah, you just get the conditioner on your hair all the way through. Just rub it in there, and then you take your brush and get like a wig brush and just kind of brush the middle out a little bit, because for me it's pretty kinky in the middle. You're just gonna brush it out. And you honestly, if you got a real good brush, you can just brush throughout your whole head. Y'all, my hair is so thick, my brush is broke. I got a cheap ass brush, but oh well. Anyways, so you just do that, and then you go in with your edge control that you want to use. And like I said, I'm not using the edge control, I'm using this Crew wave stuff, and it's really good for waves. I will show you right now. It won't have your hair looking all frizzy and weird. Let me just put this all over. The back, the sides. Okay. So then, take your brush. Then you brush, brush, brush. See. Push the back, push the side. But I'm gonna show you the trick, okay? See, I have to wait for the trick. Don't leave, just keep on watching. And you know how you usually put a ponytail in your hair and you wrap it around twice. Sorry, I'm gonna fix my camera. You know how you put the ponytail holder on and you wrap it and you wrap it again? We're not gonna do that for this style. We're gonna just flip our hair down, put our fingers through, and take this towel off. Grab our hair from the back or the front, however you wanna do it. And just gather all the hair in your hand. And you just put the ponytail on one time, just like this, and you let it go. You don't wrap it twice, you let it go. And you pull, pull, pull. And you just keep pulling. And you just pull it and pull it. Pull it, pull, and your ponytail look much like you got so much hair. And then you know you can obviously do your you just put it how you want it, you know, basically how you want to style. You got your ponytail high, low, to the back, the top, but this is how I do it. And yeah, I'll just let it go, you know? So yeah, I do it like that. And if you want to do like some little baby hairs and stuff like that, your edges, get your edges together. You can most definitely get your edges together. Your hairstyle will be much more cuter doing it like that. I'm not the best with baby hairs and all that stuff, but okay. That little crew stuff is cute, girl. But yep, that's how I do it. Yeah. That's how you do it, girl. Boo. So thank y'all for watching my video. And if you haven't subscribed to your girl Juice, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave in the comments if you have any suggestions, or if you want to let anybody else know anything, how you do things, that's fine. You can put that in my comment section. And yeah, we just keep uplifting each other and helping each other. You guys can check out my channel, my other videos. Just let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Peace.